How you doing?
Hi there. The camera's on.
Okay.
Because I'm talking to you, it's your speed.
Okay.
You're racing that car.
Oh, I was?
Yeah.
I kind of gave it a little throttle, but...
Don't BS.
I'm not, but you decided to go for me instead of the car.
Well, I was actually going to go for you before when you zipped around the car at the intersection there at 6th and A, or 7th and A.
Okay.
Saw that too.
I mean, the guy wasn't going at the light, so I was... I mean...
And the way you did it was not proper, and you know that, so...
Okay.
Mary 43862, Outlook 7.
Do you mind if I dismount?
Oh, you're good.
Okay.
You want to grab me your stuff as well?
Yeah, I do have a firearm in my backpack,
okay.
So I do have my registration in there too. So I don't know if you want to go for it or I should.
Where's your license and stuff?
My license is in my back pocket.
Okay.
I don't have a copy of my insurance on me, but I do have it.
Okay.
It's completely registered, everything like that.
Okay.
So
I'll just take your DL.
Okay.
Driver's license.
All right. Cool. Cool. If I get up.
Yep.
Okay.
You have a concealed weapons permit?
No.
Well, you have your gun in your backpack then, concealed.
Because I was coming to work and I just didn't put it at home, so can I take my gloves off?
That's fine. You can't carry a gun concealed unless you have a concealed weapons permit.
Wait, and even if it's in my backpack, like if I don't have a trunk or anything?
Well, you still shouldn't be carrying a concealed weapon.
Okay.
Okay, it's type for me, I'll be right back.
Okay.
So you're being issued a citation for speed racing. On the back side of the citation are 4 options. Pick one of those 4 options, fit you best, take care of by the 13th of July, 8:30 a.m. Josephine County Courthouse.
Okay, and when you say speed racing, like is that, what does that mean? Like as far as...
Basically, you accelerated at a high rate of speed to pass another vehicle on the highway.
Okay. Is that like reckless driving or anything?
It's a speed racing. It's a separate statute all on its own.
Okay.
So, and you can get that for taking off like you do from a stoplight.
Okay.
That's at a high rate of speed. That's speed racing as well, even though you're not necessarily speeding or racing another vehicle.
Right.
It fits under the speed racing statute as well.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right. You need to...
I know this is the 3rd time we've
yeah, you need to fix something.
I got the plate though.
You did, yes, you did.
All right.
You got to fix your riding.
All right. No, you're right.
You're going to get yourself in trouble even more than you are.
Right.
And you're going to hurt somebody or yourself.
Right. No, you're right.
So you need to take a look at how you're riding this thing.
Okay.
And which.
In an unfortunate encounter, a persistent biker found themselves pulled over by the same vigilant police officer for the 3rd time, resulting in a substantial fine. This repeated run-in with the law serves as a cautionary tale about the consequences of traffic violations. It underscores the importance of responsible riding and adhering to traffic regulations to avoid costly penalties and potential hazards on the road.
They're right here. I appreciate that.
Look how cool this cop is. I'm pretty sure this biker gets a mini heart attack before the cops talk to him. Look how cool and smooth this escape was.
What's up? Yeah, my friend was just here with me in his car. He's got a blue Subaru.
Okay. You see making some noise up here?
A little bit. It was mostly my bike.
Mostly your bike?
Yeah.
Some lady called over here saying her car was racing up and down the street here.
Okay.
Alright. This is not my area, this is Oakland County's area.
Okay.
They're sending a deputy out here. He may be here to talk to you.
Okay.
Alright? Let me see. Appreciate you stopping.
No problem.
It sounds like they're pretty close over here, so I would just kind of slowly get out of here, alright?
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good day.
maybe we'll run.
Man, that thing looks like all it is motor.
They let you catch them? They let you catch them? Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I love both.
See, I don't like them running on my bike. I wrap the front fender. It's sitting there, though. So what's the cost for you? 75. Oh, no. That's a trick question. If you're out on a track. On a track, I heard they will hit 178 on this one. Bikes are pretty rare, so.
And like I say, I'm glad y'all stopped so we can see the bikes.
We didn't even know y'all were behind us. When I seen cars over there pulling over, that's why I looked. The siren real quick. I figured y'all probably couldn't hear it.
Yeah, no, we both have music playing, and our bikes are pretty loud anyway, so it's kind of hard to hear.
Picture being stopped by the police due to a missing license plate, only to find out that the officers were actually interested in admiring your motorcycle. How cool is that scenario? Look how dangerous this escape was. Totally not advisable. Another example of a foolish bike rider. Look for yourself. Look how this stupid biker just escaped from angry cops. This rider gets pulled over because his license plate was bad, so let's find out if he gets any penalty or not.
Oh, my plate slipped in? Oh, let me get it. There's your plate. Sorry, I didn't even know it was like that. Someone must have pushed it in. No. Okay. I honestly didn't even know I was going that quick. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Is it okay if I stand like this? Okay. What's that? I'm pretty sure it was. Oh, wait. Whew. I will. Yeah, seriously, what's the speed limit over there? 30. Oh, and how fast was I going? 45. I seriously had no idea. I appreciate you.